Hello everybody, welcome back to Sharon from Vivid Days. Today's video is all about tin foil in your jewellery with alcohol inks. I mentioned tin foil, there we go, aluminium foil as it's known in the other end of the world, or all over the world. Oh my god, I'm digressing. And we're going to be working with violet, fuchsia and a turquoise and it's like a light blue really, and there's going to be some alcohol that I'll spray in there, and I did that twice, that's how important that was, and UV resin. I've pre-cut out the sizes I needed for my tin foil and I scrunched them up just to save a little bit of time for the video. I go around with my UV resin and then I'm going to stick in my tin foil there. It's quite an exciting project. I can't wait to work on some other things. I didn't quite execute this well, but this is okay. These are prototypes for me. I'm proudly wearing them and walking around. But there are so many possibilities to do with tin foil. Now, if you are new to my channel, hello and welcome. Maybe consider subscribing. If you are currently part of my art community, I just want to say thank you for your ongoing support. Thank you to everybody for choosing to spend some time with me. Any shares or thumbs up or comments, greatly appreciated, and they do help my channel. Now this is where there's lessons learned for me. I apply my alcohol ink. It was actually like magic alcohol ink, because on one of them I applied a colour and I went back and it was like, it's disappeared. So I had to put more there. Now it's my first time using these particular alcohol inks, so I don't know how good the pigment is and how long that will last. Hopefully it's good because it's got good reviews. The lesson learnt for me though is I should have waited until my alcohol inks had totally dried. I'm trying to dry it out with a straw there and just blowing gently on there. I'm using a cotton bud to mop up my spills, because people who know me, I'm a messy worker. I get it everywhere. Once I believed it to be dry, I come in with some UV resin and apply another layer, and that'll secure in again the top part of the tin foil and the alcohol inks. Now because I'd not got it totally dried, when I come in and I apply a little swirl, as it dries you can see that there is a little bit of alcohol ink that comes to the top. Now I'm curious to know if applying the alcohol ink directly to the foil actually makes it look better than if you were just to apply the silver foil and then add your colour into your resin, if it would look the same, different. And so I'm going to have a little go with that. There I'm going swirling. You can see I've just pulled up a little bit of purple, and it doesn't spoil them. It's just something that I'd like to improve on next time. And you might be thinking, Sharon, why you got your lollipop sticks there? Well, let me tell you, it's because these have got the little bit of the end where you put your chain through, and it means that the resin isn't laid flat. So by putting it on the lollipop stick, it helps me have a little bit control. Now I'm going and applying the top coat now. So it's quite a simple, easy project, but very rewarding. And I'm taking my time to make sure that it is adhered to all the edges. It looks fairly straight and that there's no obvious gaps in there. This UV resin, it's the first time I've worked with this particular brand, and it worked really well. With UV resin, it does have that high sweet smell, so definitely wear your respirator, wear your gloves, and just have some fun. I think I'm going to just work on one piece at a time when I'm doing prototypes, and then you can work on it, perfect it, and then move on. Now you could choose to add your top coat there and add a little bit of like a super sparkle white or something that's going to glitter just to make it sparkle. You could even evolve this to be more of a galaxy type theme, which is something that I've got on my to-do list. Who knows, I'll be able to do that shortly. But the video is coming to an end. I hope you've enjoyed spending some time with me. I am going to be dabbling a little bit more in resin jewellery. One, because I just love it. And two, because I think it gives you ideas for bigger projects as well. But come back and see me shortly. Give me a thumbs up if you feel that this video's added value. Let me know what you think to these colours. I know that there's a few people doing tin foil at the moment, but if you have done jewellery this way before, let me know if you feel it's better to add your alcohol ink to the tin foil or to the resin and pour it in. But I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.